What's up, everybody? It's Tucker here from S&S Smithing. We just hit 150 subscribers. Let's get talking about it. Alright guys, I'd like to thank all of you very much about how far we've came. I know it wasn't that long ago since I did the 100 subscriber video, but I'd just like to say hello to everybody that's new, and thanks for coming along and enjoying my content enough to hit the subscribe button. So thank you guys very much. The videos wouldn't really be possible, well, so much without all of you. And I'd like to thank all of you who've jumped aboard recently. Thank you very much. It's going to be very exciting seeing what you guys have to say about what I'm doing. I'd like to thank all of you guys who stuck around from the beginning. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I know there was a couple times there where I couldn't put out videos so much, but now I'm trying to stick to the weekly basis kind of thing. And I'd like to announce something to see if we can get there relatively soon, hopefully, depending on how our growth's going. But I'd like to make a challenge for 500 subscribers. If we get to 500 subscribers, once we get there, I am going to turn this old flea market hammer that needs rehandled anyway, I'm going to turn it into a straight peen hammer. So it weighs about 4 pounds, so that'll be fun to do, all by hand. I'll need to make a new drift and everything for that, so it'll be a couple part series. Whenever we get to about 250, halfway there, we'll make a drift, and we will also make a hammer eye punch. That way I can start making some hammers. So come on guys, start sharing it and getting it out there. Let's see if we can get up there. Alright, and I'd like to do a couple channel shout outs. I might be able to put a couple of them here in cards, but I'll definitely put them all in the description. I'd like to give a shout out to Heath at Shepherd's Forge. He's just started getting involved with that Forging It Forward. He just made some tools. He started making his own chisels and punches recently. They're pretty cool videos about that. He's a really cool guy. Check out Big Tim at Big Dog Forge. He's got a lot of cool videos all the time. He does a lot of Damascus work. HOJ Forge, that's a great channel. Jason's the one that really got behind and did the big push on making Forging It Forward go along ahead. So go check his channel out. He just started doing hammers by hand. They're turning out really great. He's improved a lot in a short amount of time with that. And while you're at it, go check out the Forging It Forward Facebook page, if you all don't mind doing that. So go ahead and check that out. Maybe get involved, see what's going on about it. Go on and check out James at Country Line Forge. He does a lot of hammer videos. He just did a video about how to make a hammer eye punch with an old ball peen hammer. That was really cool. I suggest you guys go check it out. Daniel Moss, as always, he's a friend of the channel. Go check him out. He does a lot of cool videos. Roy at Christ-Centered Ironworks. And Black Bear Forge. That's always a good one. And we just got a subscriber from another channel. I suggest you go check it out. Workshop of Death. They got some pretty cool videos. They just did one on a home-built CNC machine, which I thought was pretty cool. And so that's probably it for the shout-outs for right now. Again, like I said before, I'll put the links in the description, and I'll try to throw a couple of them up here in the cards. And I'd also like to say about a video that I'll have coming up here soon. I just picked up a turning hammer or rounding hammer, whichever you'd prefer to call it, from Tractor Supply. So I will do a video on like the kind of unboxing of this and fixing up the handle a little bit. It's got that clear coat varnish on it that sucks. So I'll redo the handle a little bit on it, dress the face, then we'll give it a little test to see how it works. It is a 2-pound hammer, and I picked it up from Tractor Supply, so we'll go ahead and get kind of like a review on that a little bit. So that'll be coming out probably after we finish up the plant hanger videos, if by the time you see this we haven't done that already. Alright, so like I said again, thank you guys for the 150 subscribers. That's awesome. I think right now we're at about 152. So that's cool. Thank you guys so much. And let's see if we can get to that 250 and 500 subscriber mark that we got set right now. So share it around with your friends, share it out wherever you can. Let's get growing a little bit more. So thank you guys so much. Like I said before, check out my Patreon. There's always a link in the description down there if you want to support the channel or just see what some of the tiers are I have right now. And as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll have a little subscribe bubble right here. So go ahead and click that if you haven't yet. But like I said, guys, please share this, and thank you so much for everything you guys have been around for.